Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. This video will be a continued part of our series on how to get started with Mandala Exchange. And also before getting started to this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It'd be awesome to see your great support. If this is the first video you are watching about Mandala Exchange, then I suggest you guys go check out my review video on Mandala Exchange, because this video will help you out and clear all your doubt regarding why it is beneficial to trade on Mandala Exchange, how much money and the fees that you can save using Mandala Exchange. So this video will clear all your doubt. That is why you should choose Mandala rather than any other exchanges out there. And after watching this video, I suggest you guys go check out my first video from the series, because this video will help you out on creating an account. And also in this video I have explained about Mandala Bridge, that is how you can transfer token from one network to another network simply using Mandala Exchange. So make sure to watch this video, and now let's continue. In this video I'll be showing you how to trade and what are the different order types that you can open a trade with Mandala Exchange. So make sure to watch the video till the end to learn more about this. After signing into the Mandala Exchange account, this will be the first page. Here you can see different coins that are available that you can trade from, and also you can click on view more markets, and it will be allowing you to check all the markets and all the market pairs that are available that you can start trading with. And also if you don't know how to deposit and withdraw from Mandala Exchange, I suggest you guys go check out my first video from the series, because that video will help you out in learning more about how you can deposit funds from other exchanges or your private account to Mandala Exchange. So make sure to watch that video. After clicking on view more, so this will be the page that is all the pairs that are available. For example, if you want to start trading with Bitcoin pair, that is you can start selling or buying with Bitcoin, then you can click on Bitcoin market. And if you are interested in buying coins with USDT, USDC, that is if you are interested in buying Bitcoin with USDT, DAI, USDC, BUSD, then you can go on with fiat pair. And if you are interested in trading with alts market, then you can click on alts market. And also they have MDXT market. For now there is only MDXT USDT available, but I'm 100% sure in future they will be adding more and more pairs with MDXT token. And also if you don't know, Mandala Exchange has their own token called as MDX token, which is currently trading at $0.08. I think this is the right time to start accumulating some MDX token, because holding MDX token and locking it in Mandala Exchange giving you some great benefit that we are going to be talking about in this video series. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. MDX token made an all-time high of $0.5, which is like 80% down from its all-time high. That is 85% down from its all-time high. So if you are interested, I suggest you guys you can start accumulating, because if you compare MDX token with BNB, that is Binance Exchange token, then it has lots and lots of potential to grow. Soon I am also going to start accumulating some MDX token, because as soon as they add more and more features and products to their exchange, I'm 100% sure the price will be skyrocketing from here. So if you are interested, start dollar cost averaging, and also you can buy it directly through that is Mandala Exchange, or you can buy it through Uniswap, but I suggest you guys directly buy it through MDX Exchange itself. And now let's move on to the trading part, that is how you can place your first trade. For example, if you want to trade and buy MDX token with Mandala, then just click on MDXT market and then select MDXT USDT pair, and from here you can see on the top end bar, this will be the pair that will be showing that you are currently in, that is MDXT USDT. This is the market price, that is $0.083, and this is the 24-hour change, that is 0.02%, and this is the 24-hour high and 24-hour low. 24-hour high and 24-hour low means in 24-hour MDXT made a 24-hour high of $0.0832 and 24-hour low of $0.080, and the 24-hour volume is 58,700 MDXT token, and the 24-hour volume in USDT is 4,840 USDT. And also if you don't know, Mandala Exchange is sharing their order book with Binance, so that is also something really cool. As you can see, they shared native pair, liquidity and order book with Binance, so there is no issue of liquidity over here. If you are trading some major pair like Bitcoin USDT, Ethereum USDT, And from left hand side you can see this is the order book, that is all the buy orders and sell limit orders that are placed by user. So you can check out the order book right from here, and this is the part that is most interesting for you guys if you are interested in buying and selling. So there are two types of orders available for MDXT USDT pair. First is limit order and the second is market order. Limit order allows you to place a buy limit order or sell limit order, and you can enter the price that you are interested in buying or selling, and then enter the amount that you are interested in buying, and then just click on buy MDXT. After placing this limit order, your order will be shown on this open order section. Once the price reaches your level, it will be filled and your order will be placed successfully. Till then, your order will be placed in this order book. You can check out your order from this order book itself. And also if you are interested in selling and limit selling, the same goes for that. And market orders allow you to instantly buy the tokens from the market price itself. For example, if you are interested in buying $500 worth MDXT token, and then you select the market price and you just click on buy, it will be matching your order with the first sell order, and it will be buying at the market price. So that is how the market order work. And now let's move on to the Bitcoin USDT, because Bitcoin USDT has other order types that are available that you can trade with. There are 4 types of order types available. The first is limit order, second is market order, third is stop limit, and fourth is OCO, that is one cancel other order. If you are interested in learning more about this order type, Mandala Exchange has their own blog and FAQ section about trading. So I suggest you guys come check out this blog on what order types are available that you can trade on Mandala Exchange. That is market order, limit order, iceberg order. That is iceberg order is coming soon. That is OCO, that is one cancel the other order, trailing order, hidden order. So you can check this out by your own self to learn more about this. For now, if you are a complete beginner, I suggest you guys stick with limit order and market order. Means once you gain more experience, then move your way to stop limit and OCO order, because trading with stop limit and OCO gives you an additional edge on this market, that will be allowing you to add certain parameters in your trade. And on the right hand side, that is on the bottom right hand side, you can see this is the market trades. That is, these are all the trades that are being placed on Mandala Exchange. And this is the if you shift to my trades, then it will be showing all the trades that you have taken. And on the bottom section you can check out open orders, order history. This will be showing all the history of orders you have placed in 1 day, 1 week, or 3 months. And the third is trade history. This will be showing you all the trade history that you have done, and this will be showing you all the available coins and funds in the exchange. So that is how simply you can get started and trade with Mandala Exchange. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel right now, because in the third video of the series, I'll be showing you guys how to lock your MDXT. There are already over 100 millions of MDXT token locked in the exchange. What are the benefits of locking your MDX token? So make sure to subscribe to our channel right now and turn on the bell notification to never miss any update. And also I suggest you guys start accumulating some MDX token, because I'm 100% sure this exchange is going to be among the top exchange in the coming months or years. I depend on how the team progress. So make sure to start accumulating some tokens, some MDX token. And that is all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.